if you're not at a happy place right now, or you're not living the life you dreamed of, it's up to you to change your situation. And I know feeling down once in a while is normal, but feeling constantly guilty, overwhelmed and stuck, that's not the life you or your kids deserve. I was there. I'm Brenda, a mom of a really busy 7-year-old boy who got tired of working 8 to 5, having zero time for my family, and still not having enough money. And I've reached a point where I just said, I need to start earning an income somehow. And I kept seeing this 24, 25-year-old mom making money online, working around her kids, literally living my dream. And I prayed, God, please let me be able to do this. And oh Lord, please don't be a scam. Because this is the only money I'll ever have to start something for myself. And hell yeah, I'm glad I took that first step. Literally the first step to financial freedom. And now I can give you the Freedom Formula Blueprint that shows you how you can earn an income online. Comment me and I'll get it to you. And if you want to see how it all works, watch my first pin video. It explains everything. And I truly hope I can help you change your situation too.